We already completed in our previous class classification of animalia. The animals are porifera and acoelomates, pseudocoelom and coelomates. Acoelomates, Coelenterata platyhelminthes, pseudocoelom nematoda, that means nematohelminthes. And the next one, coelomates. Coelomates are Annelida, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Mollusca, and Chordata. So we already finished Platyhelminthes, Porifera, Nematohelminthes, Coelenterata. Platyhelminthes are called flatworms, Porifera are sponges, and Nematohelminthes are bilateral symmetry, and Coelenterata coelom cavity. So this kind of information we already learned. For that, today what we learned? Today we will completely learn about the information of Annelida, Arthropoda, and Mollusca, Echinodermata, and Chordata. One by one. What kind of characters they have? The characters which helpful to them for many kind of activities and examples. This type of all information we learn about. The first one is Annelida. True body cavity is present in Annelida. First one is true body cavity. Cavity means subspace. True body cavity is present in Annelida. First one is true body cavity. True body cavity is present. True body cavity is present in these animals. True body cavity is present in these animals. True body cavity, cavity means some space. The body has space. We call true body cavity. True body cavity is present in these animals. And next one. The body divided into segments. The body divided into segments. Each segment is lined one after another. The body is divided into the body is the body is divided into segments. The body is divided into segments. Okay, next. Each segment is lined one after another. So each segment is lined one after another. 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 Yeah. One after another. Next. Each segment is lined one after another. They contain some organs. They contain a set of organs. They means segments. They contain A set of organs. They contain a set of organs. This example, earthworm, earthworm. We can see the examples are earthworm, leech, earthworm, leech, and nereis. These are the best examples of Annelida. Okay. So once we can see what are the characters of Annelida. True body cavity is present in these animals. The body is divided into many segments. Each segment is lined one after another. They contain a set of organs. They contain a set of organs. Example, earthworm, leech, and a nereis. Earthworm, leech, and a nereis. These are the examples of Annelida. Okay. This is the characters as Annelida. Okay. Next one. Next one is Arthropoda. Arthropoda. Next one is Arthropoda. First one. These animals have jointed appendages. These animals have jointed appendages, which gives the name Arthropoda. Okay. These animals have jointed appendages, which gives the name Arthropoda. These animals have these animals have jointed appendages. Okay. These animals have jointed appendages. Next one. Skeleton is a two type, exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Exoskeleton is present, which is made up of calcium carbonate. Exoskeleton is present, which is made up of calcium. That means exoskeleton is made up of chitin, calcium carbonate. No? The outer shell calcium carbonate is made up of in molluscus. Here, exoskeleton is present. It is made up of chitin. Exoskeleton exoskeleton is present, which is made of chitin, which is made of chitin. These animals have jointed appendages. Exoskeleton is present, which is made of chitin. Chitin is the material. And next one, circulatory system is open circulatory system. Circulatory system is open. Circulatory system is open. Circulatory system is open. Open circulatory system means the blood flows in the coelomic cavity. That means open circulatory system means the blood flows in coelomic cavity. In coelomic cavity. Circulatory system is open. The blood flows in coelomic cavity. Coelomic cavity. And next one, it is largest group of animal. It is largest group of animals. It is largest. It is largest group of animals. It is largest group of animals. Example, cockroach, housefly, these are the examples of arthropod. So arthropoda has contained these kind of characters, animals. These animals have jointed appendages, these animals, and a exoskeleton is present which made of chitin. Circulatory system is open circulatory system, which means the blood flows in coelomic cavity. Circulatory system is open circulatory system means the blood flows in the coelomic cavity. Next one, it is largest group of animals. Which one is the largest group of animals? Means arthropoda. Arthropoda is because arthropoda largest animal means more number of animals. It refers to more number of animals. And examples of a cockroach and a housefly. This is the information about arthropoda. And the next one, mollusca. The next division is mollusca. Mollusk. First one. These animals have soft body. Mollusk. The animal has soft body. First one is the animal has soft body. The animal has soft body. And the next one, which is enclosed in a shell. The animal has a soft body which is enclosed in a shell. Which is enclosed in a shell. Which is enclosed in a shell. Next one. The shell is made up of calcium carbonate. The shell is made up of calcium carbonate. The shell is made up of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. The shell is made up of calcium carbonate. And the next one, circulatory system is open. You know already open circulatory system. Circulatory system is circulatory system is open type of circulatory system. Circulatory system is open circulatory system. These mollusca animals have open circulatory system. And kidney like organ is present which help for excretion. Excretion means the waste materials are removed from the body. Excretion is a life process. Nutrition, circulatory system, along like excretion. Excretion means the waste materials are sent out, are released, are pushed out from the body. Is called excretion. Kidney like organ. Kidney shaped organ is not. Kidney shaped organ means the function is another function. Here strongly mentioned, kidney like organ is present for excretion. Kidney, what is the function of the kidney? Excretion. Kidney like organ is present. So that is it. Kidney like organ is present. Kidney like organ. Kidney like organ is present. Kidney like organ is present for excretion. And next one. They have well developed muscular feet for locomotion. They have well developed muscular feet for locomotion. That is also one of the important characters. They have well developed well developed they have well developed muscular feet helps for locomotion. Locomotion means movement. Locomotion movement. So this is the information about mollusca. The animal has soft body. In these animals, the division of mollusca division animals, the animal has soft body, which is enclosed in a shell, which is enclosed in a shell, hard outer shell, hard shell, which is enclosed in a hard shell. The hard shell is made up of calcium carbonate. The hard shell is made up of calcium carbonate. Circulatory system is open circulatory system. Circulatory systems are two types: open circulatory system and a closed circulatory system. Here we see in mollusca, circulatory system is open circulatory system. Open circulatory system means the blood flow in coelomic cavity. Cavity means space. The blood flows in coelomic cavity. And the next one, kidney-like organ is present for excretion. Kidney-shaped organ is not. Kidney-like organ is present compared to kidney. So, what is the function of the kidney? Excretion. The waste materials are sent out from the body, either animals or humans. Kidney-like organ is present for excretion. They have well developed muscular feet. They have well developed muscular feet. Helps for locomotion. It is helpful for locomotion. Example, snail. This is the information about mollusca. Mollusca has animal has soft body enclosed in a shell. And the next one example of snail. This is information about mollusca. And the next one, okay, Nana. What we learned today, Annelida, Arthropoda, and mollusca. Annelida. The animals have true coelom. True coelom is present. The body is divided into many segments. Each segment is lined one after another and has set of organs. Example: earthworms, leech, and nereis. And the next one, Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest group of animals. Open circulatory system. Exoskeleton is made up of chitin. Jointed appendages, which gives the name Arthropoda. Example: cockroaches and horsefly. And the next one, mollusca, soft body, enclosed in a shell. Shell is made up of calcium carbonate. Kidney-like organ is present for locomotion. Locomotion means movement. That kidney-like organ is present for excretion, locomotion. Kidney-like organ is present for excretion. Well-developed muscular feet for locomotion. Well-developed muscular locomotion. This is the example snake. In my next class, we will learn about another important topics.